how to add a survey questions for this task. On the right side, you will see Add Survey Questions button. So let's click on Add Survey Questions. And in here, you will see we have different types of survey questions. We have open questions, multiple choice, single select, Likert scale, and ranking. And here, I will choose Likert scale. And I will put a survey questions. How would you rate your experience with the app? Here you can select the scale type. I'm gonna select satisfaction. Something I want to note is in here you can see we have custom text. So click on this, you can customize all the options that you need. So if you are conducting your test in other language, you can change all this option to the local language or the language that your test is using. I will use satisfaction. And also if you want to reverse, you can also just reverse the options. And something special about the survey questions is if you have some of the questions that is optional for your testers, you can click on this checkbox. So this question will be optional and your testers will be able to skip these questions if they want to. If you want to add more survey questions, you can click on Add Question. You will have another questions and you can click on Bin to delete any of the questions. Also, something I would like to highlight is in here you can see Copy All Questions from Select Task. Let me demonstrate you how this function works. Now, let's say I have created the first task and the survey questions for the first task. Save. And now I will need to create a second task. So I will click on Task and then Prototype Navigation. So now I have the second task. Then I will also want to copy one of the survey questions that I have in the very first task. So I can choose here and then task 1. So now all the survey questions I have in the task 1 will be copied to task 2. Something to note about survey question is participants will only be able to see survey questions after they have marked the task complete. So after each task, you can add as many survey questions as you need. So now I'm done with setting up my task.